Welcome back to my channel. Um, I'm here with the icy chips powder from my last video, where where I started the experiment of extracting gold bonding wires from 1 pound of icy chips, um, flat packs icy chips to be exact. So I would have gone through the process of depopulating them from the circuit boards. First step. Second step, I would have incinerated them, and then the third step, I would have crushed them, um, and now the other step would have been to separate the magnetic metals, which I did. Then I poured the powder inside this container here, and then I rinsed it with tap water several times. And now I am at the point where I want to get rid of the remaining base metals. You can see some of them at the top right there. Um, but at the bottom, you can see that brown thing at the bottom. That's my bonding wire. That's 24 karat gold powder you're looking at right there. It's not much, but it is gold. And I am going to attempt to recover it. Praise God. So, um, so it's quite a few, as you can see at the bottom. Now, gold is very heavy, so it usually settles at the bottom. So I rinsed this several times, and now I am going to get rid of the base metals with hydrochloric acid, and I'm gonna use some distilled water. I'm gonna pour that in and just leave it to soak overnight. Then I'm going to rinse that off when that is through, and then I'm gonna add some more hydrochloric acid with some, just a shot or two of nitric acid, and that will be able to dissolve this gold that is settled at the bottom. Pretty shiny, pretty nice, looking nice. As I said, it's not much, but it is gold, and I would love to see what the weight on it is. We have come a mighty long way, and I'm giving God thanks for it. So, welcome again to my channel, guys. So, this is the third video in my series of gold recovery from icy chips, and I'm at the stage now where I am pretty happy so far with what I'm seeing. Um, and of course, as I said, this uh, I have done, this is the first time I'm doing this, so I am happy. I have this board here with these um, gold plating, which I will recover the gold off of this. Um, when I have some time to do that. But for now, I'm going to just pour on the distilled water inside here. And then I will add some hydrochloric acid. So as I said, the gold is very heavy, so usually it settles first and it normally goes into the middle. But yeah, that's what the gold look like inside the bottom of this. Now that you look at it looks really nice from this angle, spread out. So um, that's what I want to recover. I'm attempting to recover. So guys, please remember to give a thumbs up, leave a comment, and if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your support. We are pushing ahead to get 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year, God's willing. And I do believe by the grace of God we will get there. So yeah, all right, now we're gonna add in the hydrochloric acid and then just leave this to sit. And if somebody's on who have already done this process, this experiment, you could and you can give some pointers. I would welcome that. So I'm just gonna give this a stir. As I said, I'm gonna leave this to soak overnight, and then I'm going to, and this it should, the hydrochloric acid should deal with the remainder of legs base metal. I've already, as I said, went through with a magnet and run that powder through with the magnet and take out all magnetic um, met pins that were there, legs. So now I think the copper, maybe some tin still inside there, and I believe the hydrochloric acid can deal with that. I probably should have taken a measurement on the amount of hydrochloric acid. I'm not seeing. There is a gold. Take one more look at it. Yeah. So I'm gonna leave that till tomorrow, and then I'll give you guys another update on it. So stay tuned as we try to recover gold from IC chips. And yeah, I have a bag load here of some IC chips as well. Which I will process sometime point in time. And I also have these come off the back side, the back back of the BGA chips, and this is gold. I'm gonna recover this by soaking this in some hydrochloric acid. I believe will cause this to just flake up. It's the same thing with this one. All these little golds everywhere in electronics. Yeah, so you have a bit of gold in the electronics that we discard when we are through with them. This is also gold, pinless. a pin, and I will also be processing these as well. So I think that's it for tonight, but thank you again for watching my channel. Thank you for your support. God bless you, and do enjoy the rest of your evening. I'm gonna cut it here and then give you a update. Um, Probably tomorrow, God's willing. All right. Thank you.